your girl from the garden. I'm 27 years old, and today we are making an awesome Mile High barley burger. So let's get started and what goes in this burger. So in this bowl here we have some barley, we have some beans and some corn, we have some tomatoes and peppers that we grew right here in our garden in Colorado. The easiest part about this burger is that you can blend it up in a Vitamix or blender, whatever you have. Make it so it sticks into a patty. Put it in a saute pan that's super hot, crisp it up, and it's going to stay in that awesome patty form just like you're looking for that burger. Oh, can you guys see my dog hanging out? He's my #1 fan. That's Toller. So cute. So we're here in Colorado. That's what we would call it, a Mile High burger. We call it that because we're going to pile it real high, but also because we live in Denver, Colorado. So that means that we love being outside, we love eating fresh and organic and natural, whole, plant-based foods. So on top of our Mile High burger here, we're going to throw some kale salad. In this kale salad, you shred it real thin, you throw in some avocado and some lemon juice. That acidity in the lemon juice is going to help break it down, make it super delicious and easy to digest. On top of that, we're going to throw some golden beets and some purple cabbage. If you think you don't like beets, you've never had my beets. Golden beets are so delicious. So you can see this is super pretty. Pile it high. You can see my dog, even he's wanting to eat some of it. So that brings me to my next point. Regardless of whether you are a total carnivore like my wonderful husky and my husband, or you love a plant-based meal, you know, we're going to merge those two worlds together and start this awesome plant-based nuts and seeds and avocados and whole grains and beans and legumes meets the steak and potatoes and this traditional world. And the reason why people get so freaked out about plant-based is that they think they can't have a super delicious meal. So Food Network, I am here to tell you that you can have an awesome plant-based meal and make it super delicious and healthy, and people that are coming to your table, whether they're carnivores or whether they are vegans or any sort of spectrum, whether just foodies that are trying to eat organic and healthy, we can merge all those worlds together and make a super delicious, super healthy, super awesome plant-based food that anyone is going to want to eat. So that's the whole point of this show. I'm Steph. I'm the girl from the garden. I'm just going to go ahead and eat my little veggie burger here that has such good stuff on it. So thanks again for watching. Again, I'm Steph. I'm your girl from the garden, and everyone is going to love this show.